Hey everyone, welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we make technology easy and fun to learn. In this video, we are going to learn about natural language processing, also called NLP. Natural language processing is a part of artificial intelligence. It helps computers understand, read, listen to, and talk like humans. It helps computers understand our language, just like we understand each other. With NLP, computers can read text, listen to our speech, understand the meaning, reply in a smart and helpful way. For example, when you talk to Google Assistant or Alexa, NLP helps them understand what you are saying. Examples of what NLP can do. 1. Text classification. It helps computers decide if an email is spam or not spam. 2. Sentiment analysis. It helps computers understand if a message is happy, sad, or normal. 3. Machine translation. It helps change one language into another, like English to Spanish. 4. Speech recognition. It changes spoken words into written text. 5. Chatbots and virtual assistants. It helps chatbots answer questions and talk with users. 6. Name recognition. It helps find names, places, dates, and other important words in a sentence. NLP works by using language rules and learning from lots of data. Computers study many sentences to learn how language works. Because of NLP, using computers feels more natural and easy. It is used in search engines, voice assistants, chatbots, and translation apps. If you liked this video, press the like button. Write your question in the comments box. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.